Hey guys, this is a plank. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's not just any plank, it's a smart plank. This is Mui, and if you live in a minimal house and you don't want too many touch screens and noisy devices cluttering up your life, then this is for you. Buried behind this plank of wood is a smart home assistant that looks a little bit like this. All of this area is backed by LEDs. There's a Raspberry Pi inside and of course a touch matrix just underneath the wood. This is actually, the company is spun out from one of Japan's most prestigious touch interface makers. There are plenty of things you can do with it too. So on here, for instance, you can set music playing if you've got a subscription to a music service and connected Wi-Fi speakers like from Sonos or Bose. You can also, if I just go back to the home screen, do things like adjust your smart wireless thermostat. This whole thing is a self-contained unit, and basically it just connects to the internet, and then any internet connected smart home devices you can control from this. You can even get messages that will be sent via Line, which is the very big Pan-Asian WhatsApp. And there you are, you see. It will display those messages as soon as it's received. And the idea is that if you're living a minimal, clean life and you don't want lots of gadgets cluttering up your living room, you can just have this instead. As well as things like showing you the weather for the day, this thing also has Google Assistant built in. Now, because we're in a super noisy room and because this is really bad for demos, Google Assistant is shut off. But if you need to use your voice, you can just simply walk up to it and ask it things. It'll also, it won't tell you using its voice, it will print out its messages on here. Again, eliminating clutter and unnecessary noise from your life. If you're interested in buying this, then you can actually pre-order it right now on Indiegogo. It's going to cost you $549 and shipping is expected to begin in January. And here at IFA, the company's showing off some other really interesting directions that they can take this technology into. The company's also got this pretty interesting tech demo that they're showing off for another way that this sort of technology can be used. Now, do you remember when you were a kid and there was always that one door frame, probably in the kitchen, where your parents would mark your height every birthday? Well, this is like a brand new version of that. You see, you've got this smart plank again, and using a Wacom active pen, you can, if I can get this right, draw a line to mark your height, and then on this canvas that you might not be able to see, it will actually record when it was taken, and then you can write on this canvas to replay that in future. For information about this and all of the other really exciting things you can see at IFA 2019, head to Engadget.com.